Morning students. Today we are going to start the third chapter, that is fiber to fabric. So in this chapter we are going to learn about different types of fibers and also different type of fabrics we can yield from those fibers. Okay, so let's start. So first of all we have to learn that what is fiber. Fiber is a single and elongated piece of material which is similar to threads. It can be natural or synthetic. For example, cotton is a natural fiber. We all know about that. Then there is rayon and nylon. They are artificial or man-made fiber. So look at here. There is two types of fiber, man-made fiber and natural fiber. Man-made fiber is nylon, polyester, polyethylene, and natural fiber are of two types. They are plant fibers and animal fiber. So plant fibers example is cotton and jute, and animal fibers example wool, silk, etc. In this chapter we are going to learn about the animal fibers. So silk is obtained from silkworms. The most popular kind of silk is obtained from the mulberry silkworm. Wool is most commonly obtained from the sheep. Wool fabric is soft to the touch and provides warmth to the weather, due to which it is the preferred choice for winter apparel. Okay, so next thing we are going to learn about the yak fiber. So what is yak? Yak is an animal that is largely found in the Himalayas in India and Tibet. The hair of the yak is very useful in the production of warm clothes, mats and sacks. Can yield wool from these animals. They are goat, yak, camel, llama, alpaca. Then we can also yield the silk from the silkworm. Alright. So now we are going to learn about wool. Wool is obtained from the fleece or the hair of the sheep, goat, camel, yak, rabbit, llama, alpaca or other animals. These animals have a thick coat of hair on their bodies because the hair traps the air and air is a poor conductor of heat. Okay, so thick layer of hair keeps their body warm and protects them from the harsh cold. Alright, so for obtaining wool, animals are reared and then their hair is cut and processed into wool. So what is fleece and who are the wool bearing animals? Fleece and wool bearing animals are like sheep, goat, camel, yak, etc. We have already learned about them. So two types of hair are present in those animals. They are coarse hair and fine soft under hair. So fine soft hair is found close to the skin in those animals. And the fine and soft under hair of animals like sheep and goat etc. is called as fleece. So what is fleece? Fleece is the soft under hair of the animals. Okay, so animals having the fine soft hair, that is fleece, on their body are called wool bearing animals. So the pictures we have already seen, those all are the wool bearing animals. Okay, next thing is animal wool. Many breeds of sheep are found in India. Sheep gives milk and meat in addition to wool, but are reared mainly to obtain wool in different parts of the world. Sheep wool is most common type of wool. Okay, Angora wool is obtained from Angora goats of Jammu Kashmir, which is very soft wool used for making shawls. Angora goats are found in hilly regions such as Jammu and Kashmir. Now Pashmina wool is obtained from a Pashmina goats. And yak wool is obtained commonly from Tibet and Ladakh. We have already discussed previously. So alpaca and llama found in South America also give us wool. Camel hair is also used as rearing wool. And breeding of sheep. Sheep are reared in many parts of our country like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, etc. Now sheep feed on grass and leaves. They are also fed with a mixture of pulses, corn, jowar, and oil cakes and minerals as well. Winter, sheep are kept indoor and fed on leaves, grains, and dry fodder. Some breeds of sheep have thick hair on their body, which yield good quality of wool in large quantities. They are selectively bred to get the sheep of good breed. Okay, now we will get to know that what is the selective breeding. So, what is selective breeding? To get the best quality wool is necessary to select the best quality wool yielding parent. This process of selecting the parent in order to obtain the good quality of wool in their offspring is termed as the selective breeding. Alright, taking the two best quality of sheep, suppose these two, okay, and their offspring will have the desired quality of hair from their parents. Alright, so that is known as the selective breeding. So this is an artificial process to obtain animals or plants having special or desired characteristics. So some Indian breeds of sheep, you will find this chart in your book, so go through it. Next is the processing of wool. The processing of changing the fleece into wool involves the following 6 steps. They are shearing, scouring, then sorting, then burrs separation, dyeing, and then 6th is spinning. So the processing of wool, the first step is the fleece or the hair of the sheep is removed from its body along with a thin layer of dead skin by using a machine. This process of removal of the fleece from the animal is called shearing. The sheared skin with hair is washed in tanks to remove grease, dust and dirt. The process of washing the sheared wool in hot water followed by drying is called the scouring process. Alright, so next one is the hairy skin is sent to a factory where hairs of different textures are separated. So in sorting process what happened? The hairs of different textures are separated. Okay, so next one is burr separation. So here what happened? The small fluffy fibers called the burrs. So they are separated from the hairs and again washed and then dried. Next one is dyeing. The natural hair of sheep is white or brown or black in color. So the raw fibers are dyed in different color. Next one is spinning. The raw fibers are then straightened, combed and rolled into yarn. They are then spun and woven into fabric. Okay, now tell me that why we need to learn about the fabrics. We need to learn about the fabrics so that we can decide which material you are going to pick when you will go for shopping. Okay? So see, this is the process of cutting wool. Alright? These pictures are from your textbook. So first of all, there is shearing a sheep. Then next one is a scouring in tanks. Then C is the scouring by machines, and then D is rolling into yarns. So these are the following steps. So first of all there will be shearing, then scouring, then sorting, then there is cleaning of burrs, after that dyeing, then finally rolling them into a yarn. Alright, we will learn about the occupational hazard. So occupation means job and hazard means danger or risk. And occupational hazard means then the risk or the danger that is faced by a worker. So what happened here? The sorter's disease is another name for anthrax. It is caused by a bacteria Bacillus anthracis. Historically, anthrax was called wool sorter's disease because individuals who sorted wool of infected animals contracted the disease. Anthrax is also known by other names such as malignant edema and splenic fever as well. So this is all for today. Rest to be discussed on the next day. Thank you, class.